All right, let's get started with project number 1 in the Daisy Daydream March 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So we have our card base here. We need the beehive stamp, and we need the Enjoy Your Special Day. We need our greeting banner and 2 of these little gold hives, plus 2 of these gorgeous, gorgeous daisy pieces. So let's get started with what we have to do first. We're going to pull in our Lost Lagoon ink pad, and we're going to ink up our stamp with the Lost Lagoon like that. And then we're going to stamp it down the right way up in the middle of our greeting banner. So there we go. We're just going to pop that down like that. So enjoy your special day. And then we're going to take our beehive, or our hive image, our little hexagons here, and we're going to stamp them up here like this, and then right next to it like this. There we go. And then we do this 3 more times yet. So we're going to put one over here like this, one down in the bottom like this, and then one kind of at an angle like that. Okay, so that's our stamping done. So we're going to put the lid back on this one like that. Now what do we need to do? We need to take this and we need to put 3 adhesive dots on the back. And like that. Oh, that stuck to my finger. There we go. Okay, so we're going to peel the backings off of these and add it to the front of the card. There we go. And this goes down kind of right in the middle-ish here, like that. So we've got that on, and now what do we do? Oh, and we need a bumblebee. Look at me missing out on the bumblebee. These are so cute. Okay, so we've got the bumblebee, and we're going to put an adhesive dot on the bumblebee. And we're going to put dimensionals on the back of the daisies. So the dimensionals go on. We're going to put 2 here, like this, then 1 in the middle of this one, and then it looks like we put 2 on this one. Like that. Oh, and I've got a 3rd one. Please don't stick down. Please don't stick down. There we go. Okay, we'll just... And then on the bottom of this one, we do the same thing, but just in reverse. We're going to put 2 dimensionals here. 1 in the middle. And then... Oh. So you've got to have them the right way around. Okay, so we're okay with 2 here, and then I'm going to put 2 more here. So there we go. And then it looks like we take, now these are upside down, so we take the backing off these ones here, and we take one of the pieces here, and we just pop this on like that. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with this one down here. And we're going to take the hive and we're going to put it up at an angle like that. And we're just going to stick that down like that. Okay, let's take the rest of these backings off and build our card. So what's really huge with this, I love this kit. I am so excited to use it, to get to the alternates and all of that. But the really gorgeous thing about this card is that it goes from this, which is super plain, still pretty, but super plain, to this. So we pop this over top like this, pop it down, and then we take the same with the bottom and we do the same thing. Just like that. Then we take our bumblebee and we pop the bumblebee just on here like this. So how gorgeous is that for project 1 in the, there we go, in the Daisy Daydream Paper Pumpkin Kit for March 2025. So stay tuned for project number 2.